Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're talking about the reasons why you should stay on the ship during port days. Cruising is all about exploring new places, but sometimes the ship itself feels like its own little getaway. Let's dive in. Number 1. Rest and recharge. Port days are the perfect time to slow down and catch your breath during a busy cruise. Cruises are packed with exciting activities, from late-night shows to early morning excursions and endless fun in between. But all that excitement can leave you feeling exhausted if you don't take time to rest. Staying on board during a port day gives you a chance to sleep in, relax, and recharge your energy for the rest of your trip. Even if you're not stepping off the ship, you'll find plenty to do on board. Many ships offer quiet spots to unwind, fun activities, or even just cozy places to chill with a book or enjoy the view. By taking this time to relax, you can avoid feeling burnt out and be ready to fully enjoy all the fun the cruise has to offer later, whether it's a big dinner, an evening show, or dancing the night away. Remember, it's your vacation. Sometimes the best way to enjoy it is by giving yourself permission to take a break. Number 2. Spa discounts. Port days are the best time to treat yourself to a little extra relaxation, without breaking the bank. Cruise ship spas often run specials on treatments like massages, facials, and body wraps during port days. It's their way of encouraging guests to stay on board, and it's a win-win for you because you get pampered at a lower cost. If you're looking to save money but still want a luxurious spa experience, check out the deals on embarkation day or ask the spa staff about port day discounts. You might find that a soothing massage or rejuvenating facial is much more affordable than on busy sea days. And the best part? After your treatment, you'll feel refreshed, relaxed, and ready to take on more cruise fun. Why not let your vacation feel like an actual getaway by spoiling yourself with a little me time? It's the perfect way to unwind while everyone else is off the ship. Number 3. Shorter lines for fun activities. Port days are the ultimate chance to enjoy all the fun attractions on your cruise ship without the long lines. When most passengers head off to explore, the ship's thrilling activities, like water slides, zip lines, go-karts, rock climbing walls, or mini-golf, become way less crowded. This means you can enjoy all the excitement without wasting time waiting. Some of the newest and biggest cruise ships are packed with incredible things to do, but it can be hard to fit everything into your schedule on sea days when everyone is on board. By staying on the ship during a port day, you can experience all the action with minimal hassle. Whether you're trying something new or doing a favorite activity for the third time, you'll have more time to enjoy it. If you've ever wanted to explore all the ship has to offer at your own pace, a quiet port day is the perfect time to do it. Number 4. Get the most out of your drink package. If you've invested in a drink package for your cruise, port days are the perfect time to make sure you're getting your money's worth. While many cruise lines allow unlimited drinks on board, most don't extend that perk to their private islands or ports. That means if you head ashore, you'll be paying extra for every drink you buy, on top of what you've already spent for the package. By staying on board, you can sip as many cocktails, mocktails, sodas, or specialty coffees as you want without any extra charges. It's also a great way to relax by the pool or enjoy a quiet spot with your favorite drink in hand. Plus, with fewer people around, it's easier to get served quickly and enjoy your beverages in peace. If you want to stretch your drink package to its fullest value, lounging on board during a port day is definitely the way to go. Number 5. Less crowded pool deck. Port days are a dream come true for anyone who loves lounging by the pool but hates fighting for a chair. When most passengers leave the ship to explore, the pool deck becomes much quieter. You'll have your pick of lounge chairs, plenty of space in the pool, and easy access to the hot tubs. No need to worry about crowded spots or saving a chair early in the morning. On sea days, the pool deck can feel packed, and finding a good spot is a challenge. But during port days, it's a different story. You can stretch out, soak up the sun, and enjoy a peaceful, relaxing vibe. If you prefer a more chill atmosphere or just want to skip the lines for the bar or snack stand, staying on board during a port day is the way to go. Plus, it's the perfect time to take those Insta-worthy poolside pics without tons of people in the background. Number 6. Quieter buffets. If you've ever been to the buffet on a sea day, you know how busy it can get. Finding a table or navigating the food stations during peak times can feel like a challenge. But on port days, the buffet is a totally different experience. Calm, quiet, and much more enjoyable. With most passengers off exploring, you can take your time browsing the food options, grab your favorites, and find a seat without any stress. Whether you're looking to try a little bit of everything or stick to your go-to dishes, the relaxed vibe makes it all the more pleasant. Plus, quicker service means more time to savor your meal and less time waiting in line. Staying on board during a port day is the perfect chance to enjoy a peaceful dining experience and treat yourself to that second or third helping without the crowds. Number 7, faster service. One of the best perks of staying on board during a port day is the amazing, quick service you'll enjoy. With fewer guests on the ship, the crew has more time to focus on you. Whether you're ordering a drink by the pool, grabbing a snack, or asking a question at guest services, everything happens faster and with less hassle. Cruise lines pride themselves on great service, but during peak times, even the best teams can get stretched thin. On port days, when most passengers are off exploring, you'll feel like you have the ship and the crew almost to yourself. It's a great chance to relax, be pampered, and enjoy everything the ship has to offer without waiting in long lines. From speedy bar service to extra attention in the dining areas, staying on board makes your vacation feel even more special. Who doesn't love that VIP treatment? That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.